If you're spending thousands of dollars on media buyers and they're still not able to deliver you great results, or you're currently struggling in scaling your own business because you can't predictably generate leads because you don't have the skill of media buying, we built TryCook AI and connected, became a partner with Meta because we realized that not having the ability to spend money on ads in a world where attention is so hard to acquire is the thing that's going to kill businesses. With that in mind, we needed to figure out, well, we can't just connect the platform. We need to have it so that AI agents can access your data and be able to tell you what is the best thing to do in your business. Okay. So you literally talk as if you would talk to your media buyer. Hey, let me know which campaign or how much money I've spent in the last 7 days on this account, right? This agent is going to go ahead and process, get your campaign data, get insights, just like a media buyer would. Okay. And then it's going to tell you how much you've spent. I've spent $25,000 in the last 7 days. Cost per lead is $17. Okay. And if you wanted to, you could say, run a full audit and find the best performer and then activate that one without asking me a question. Okay. Please don't make me work. Okay. I want to enjoy the sunset. Activate it. Let's see what's going on. Oh, there we go. You see, it became green. All right. Now let's go back. Now you should have this campaign too live on my account. There we go. See, it just started spinning again. This is a workflow. Now, I want you to extrapolate this and think about all the things that could be possible. You can launch your creatives, you can create the image. I've launched, I mean, I can show you guys. Um, these here are all creatives campaign ads that I've created with the platform. Okay. And the idea here is you should just skip the scale gap and have an AI agent launch and run your ads. And all you have to do is what? Is just talk to it every morning and just make sure that it keeps you in the boundaries of being profitable. Okay. So this is what we believe the future is going to be, is that everyone, not just the people who've gone through a million courses, spent millions of dollars on ad spend, should be the people that are like, oh yeah, I'm the best. I'm the only one who can media buy. Or why should you be the only one to media buy, right? Meta releases updates on how to advertise every single day. That's free information. So, but the problem is that humans are lazy. So humans can't necessarily go and read all that information and stay up to date because life is lifing, right? But AI is relentless. If there's a new update on Andromeda on how to, run better ads and it's creative first, cool. Just give this agent the skill of Andromeda, right? No human should be involved and you don't need to upskill yourself at this point. You just need to know how to use systems like these to not just do it for you, but if you've been running an agency that you do media buying for people, and you have like contractors from like the Philippines, and you have some guys from like South America who, yes, they say they're good, but they're charging you 8 grand a month, and you're like, bro, it's in Argentina. You can live off of like $500 to 1,000 a month. Why are you asking for 8 grand? Cancel their account. Say, I'm gonna cook myself. No more, no more needing expensive media buyers because they know how to click a button. You know how good AI is to clicking buttons? It is amazing. And it loves to work. It's relentless and it will get the job done for as long as you ask it to get the job done. So this is our way um of democratizing the ability to just generate ridiculous amounts of traffic. And I can't wait to share this with you, with the world. Take care. Bye bye.